Okay, the electrical connector. You're going to find a connector. Actually, you're not going to find a connector. You're going to find 4 wires, but they're not. This connector is not going to be on there. To make things easier, we're going to give you a pigtail with 4 wires that has this connector already on there. So all you'll have to do is crimp 4 wires on. These 2 white wires are ground, which on our connector will be black. I don't know why they used white for ground, but the white are ground. Either black wire can go to either white one. On this black connector, you're going to see that there is a number, OP00, and the other one should be OP02. Let's double check that if we can get to it. OP02. The OP02 is going to go to our red wire. That's positive B+. The OP00 is ignition, and that will go to our blue wire. So blue is OP00 and red is OP002. And the 2 blacks go to the 2 white wires.